Hi everybody! Today we're gonna make bacalao. For the bacalao, you're gonna need 5 eggs, 1 pack of bacalao, half of the pepper, and 1 red onion, and some oil on the pot. That's about it. So, in order for you to take out all the salt, you have to wash it a couple of times. Take all the salt away. Okay, after you wash it, you're gonna boil it. You're gonna boil it for a couple of times. When the water is about to boil very hot, you can take it out, drain it. You drain it and you put fresh water. And you repeat the process at least 5 times, so the salt can, so it can be less salty. And then you do it all over 5 times. Okay, now we're gonna proceed to prepare. I already boiled it and I drained it for five times. Now it's not that salty anymore. We're gonna add some oil to the pan. And we're gonna put it in. My hands are very clean. Then you add the pepper, the onions. So it's 1 whole onion and half of 1 pepper. When the onions are a little bit like halfway done, you just turn it down a little. So you're gonna proceed to put eggs on. And you beat the egg. And you put the heat off a little again. You pour it in. You let it cook for a little bit. This bacalao is very good with white rice. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, you see how it turns up? Everything is mixed. You let the egg cook very well. It doesn't take too much to do, and it's very easy and simple. It's only have 4 ingredients. This is my bacalao, specially made for Wesley. Enjoy. Bon appetit.